So to make it easier to understand, we start the walkthrough from the last count, the count 7 of the last section. Okay, so it's 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and hold 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Okay? And there's a tag right after the completion of the last section. It goes like this. I remember it's facing 9 o'clock, something like that. So it's like, so let's pretend this is 9 o'clock, okay? So it's 7, 8, and then here is the tag. Only 4 counts, okay? It's like 1 and 2, 3, 4 and then start the count 1 of next wall, section 1. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, and okay, something like that.